Shriram Capital TNPL. It's a special season, number 10. A decade of this wonderful tournament. In the third match, second on day 2, Chepauk Super Gillies will take on the Nellai Royal Kings. Just a short while back, we had the toss, won by the Super Gillies. And much as they've seen the pitch in the previous match being full of runs, they did say, we'd like to bowl first. I suppose that's the safe option. The Royal Kings will therefore be batting. They've got Sonu Yadav, their skipper, along with Ishwaran, Santosh, Atish, Mukhilesh, Ajitesh, of course, Rathi, Cherian and Rohit. 2 out-and-out bowlers, lots of all-rounders. I'm Charu Sharma in the company of Shibani Bhaskar. Shibani, your thoughts on this quad and of course the one coming up?
A very well-balanced side, Charu. When you look at the Nellai Royal Kings, a new captain in Sonu Yadav, but Hrithik Ishwaran, we've seen what he can do. And he's done it for the Nellai Royal Kings before. Atish, a youngster. Mukhilesh, one of the highest buys in the auction. And they're up against the Chepauk Super Gillies, 4-time champions. They know how to do it. Jagadisan at the helm this year. Wasim Ahmed changes sides to come into the Chepauk Super Gillies lineup. Swapnil Singh with plenty of experience. Ashwant Valtapa, all eyes on him. He was the highest pick in the auction. Mystery spinner. He's played for the United Arab Emirates and makes his debut in the TNPL today. Exciting stuff when you look at both sides.
Would you believe it? 6 all-rounders. How about that?
We talk about prep that the players need to do and teams need to do, but there's also prep that the umpires do.
Should be Chepauk Super Gullies instead of Dintigul for Abhishek. Nice opening delivery. Not the quickest. Jumps out, goes for it, and it's a maximum. What a way to start. Santosh has special ability. Abhishek is warned not to bowl full again. Santosh lashes out again and is taken that deep mid-wicket. What a blow. Tanwar gets his revenge, and Santosh will be so disappointed picking out one of the 2 outfielders in the very first over.
As Santosh heads back to the hut, 8 for 1, NRK.
Oh, tough for the man at slip. The bounce making it a little difficult, yet one feels that should have been stopped. However, a boundary off the last ball, 12 off the over, 20 for 1. Oh, slog swept, massive. That's well over 90 meters for sure. Sweet part of the bat. Atish shows his ability. Just when I was saying his strike rate needs to improve. Oh, ball's short. And Atish had every opportunity of swinging that for another 6. Missed out. I think he responded a little late. Swept again. Despite the fact that there was a deep square that went well to his left. Low, hard hit. Boy, can he sweep well, Atish. 2 6s now off the over.
Lofted handsomely by Atish, who's putting on an exhibition. Another 6. The 50 is up for the Nellai Royal Kings as it's time to welcome Prasad Kshirsagar into the commentary box.
Thank you, Nishad.
Certainly been eye-catching. This time he pulls it. Clear the fence yet again. This young man is certainly inspiring his team to a good start. Has welcomed the bowler with 2 consecutive 6s.
Wanted to go. Let's stop it. Safe hands. Wicket keeper underneath. Takes it. Comes to wicket number 2. Nellai Royal Kings, 2nd wicket.
Safe as a house. The captain and the wicketkeeper Jagadisan called for it. When you've got the man with the gloves, for such skiers, you're going to back him.
That was the pressure. Just wanted to release that. And a wicket. 66 for 2. The great inning that we just witnessed by Atish. That goes for 4.
Not the best of starts for Ashwant in the Shriram Capital TNPL. That was cut away, pass backward point at third. Has he got a wicket? Yes, in front. Thanks the heavens for that success. His first over was expensive, but experience always matters.
It just
Reverse for 6. How brilliant is that? Incredible. Wow.
Hrithik Ishwaran.
I'm tempted to add. Oh, there he is again. And this could be taken an inch or two inside or not. That is brilliant. And look at the strut. Tanwar involved with a wonderful fielding effort earlier. Now inches from the boundary line, leaning over it, matter of fact. Gets rid of the danger man, Ishwaran. He will be stunned with that effort. Ishwaran, very well played. Most impressive. 36 at a strike rate of 200. 132 for 4.
All those gym sessions, the leg days, they come to the rescue. Great balance there.
Without question, now run out possibility. They take that difficult 2. And Mukilesh seems a little gutted because the throw was fabulous at the non-striker's end. Collected well by Silambarasan, and they may have a man once again.
TV umpire to director. TV umpire to director, we have umpire review for
Run out is the
run
last
out at
thing
the bowler's
that you
end.
need when you're trying
Can you start
to
with the
come
tie
out
screen,
of a
please?
wicket that has fallen off a set batter. And it looks like he's in trouble.
Back.
And he's in trouble
Okay, the
by
batter
quite
is
a
out of
margin.
his ground when the
Great collect.
wickets are broken. I have a decision for you for the big
And
screen.
Mukilesh might have something to not celebrate at the end of this. Be prepared to see red. Be prepared to see out. The partnership ends. It's going to be a long walk back. Mukilesh dips for a run of 19. 1-3-3 for 5.
He's not going to get any of that should he bowl that line. And a low full toss. Sonu Yadav did exceptionally well. 64, last ball. Again, hoisted high. Sonu Yadav. Has he got the distance though? Yes, he does. It's a maximum to end the over 13 off it. 149 for 5. This time it's NS Harish. The fielder's underneath it. He cannot cling onto the ball in time. NS Harish joining his captain in the act.
The 150 is up with that hit.
Nice adjustment in length. Did he catch an edge on that occasion? The bowler and the keeper go up in unison. The umpire doesn't have a bar of it yet, but Jagadisan can go upstairs should he choose to review. But the umpires have a mini conference there, and it will be an umpire's referral.
Okay, ball has cleanly carried into the gloves of the wicket keeper. Satisfied. I have a decision for you on the big screen.
And that will be confirmation that NS Harish has to depart now. No wonder the bowler and the keeper were in unison. NS Harish goes for 11, 155 for 6. Great execution, but very well placed on that occasion. Sonu Yadav creams it away for a last ball boundary. 13 off it, 162 for 6. Goes wide, goes full, but the batter will not mind this one bit. Adnan Khan produces a stellar drive for a boundary of the very first delivery. Smacks it hard. Is the fielder in business? He will watch it trickle over the fence. Sonu Yadav ends the 19th with a boundary, 175 for 6.
Adnan makes room, has lofted that over cover, gone all the way. What a start to the over.
That was a resounding thump. Abhishek Tanwar. Slow ball this time from Abhishek Tanwar. The fielder not just drops the catch, but I'm afraid it's gone on to hit the cushion on the flush. M. Silambarasan, the guilty party on that occasion. Catches the call. Make that 55 of the last 21. Adnan Khan is not just a specialist at smacking the ball over cover. 16 now of the first 3. Back of the hand. Sonu Yadav connects it handsomely, stoically. Another maximum. They are now hovering in the 200 plus range. Sonu Yadav and Adnan Khan. And counting, is it? Catches the call, but the fielder will not make it in time. And to add insult to injury, another misfield. Ashik couldn't get to the ball in time. On the previous occasion was a tough chance. This one ought to have been stopped. Much better execution of the Yorker. Comes off the last ball. But what an expensive over. 29 of the last over as the Nellai Royal Kings plunder their way to 71 of the last 5 to finish on a handsome 204 for 6. Sonu Yadav and Adnan Khan ratcheting up the heat with a 49 run partnership only of 17 deliveries. What a finish, Nishad. And the Nellai Royal Kings will be pleased to sponge. SR, Atish and Ajitesh put together a very impressive partnership. 58 for the second wicket. And then things stagnated a bit before Hrithik Ishwaran took things into his own hands. Sonu Yadav and Adnan Khan eventually romping home with a terrific finish.
As the Chepauk Super Gillies openers walk out, they know that they've got their task cut out. 205 and 20. At times, Charu, sometimes when you've conceded far too many in the slog overs, there's always that thought lurking in your mind, gosh, we could have had a lower target. First ball, Wasim to face. Good ball coming in, a loud appeal. May just be sliding down leg.
Perhaps doing too much. The umpire's unmoved. What does the keeper say? Not supporting the bowler. Prodigious in swing. Completely bamboozling Wasim.
Cut. Opens his account with a boundary. What a shot. Quick like a Shriram instant goal loan. Opens his account by clearing the ground over long on. Jagadisan now only 2 runs away.
Took the words out of my mouth. 2 runs away now from being the lead scorer, but what a terrific shot.
This time the other way, over long off, another 6. And he's become the leading run scorer in the history of the Shriram Capital TNPL.
Waiting for you to announce that. Well done, Jagadisan.
Last ball of the over. Consecutive 6s, followed by a tickle past fine leg. And that'll be a boundary to end an expensive over. It's 18 of that one. Driven handsomely past mid-off. A classy shot, 4-4 by Jagadisan. Beautifully driven like Shriram's instant 2-wheeler loans. Inside the off stump. He's got a wicket first ball. Rocky has landed the first punch for the Nellai Royal Kings. It was hit low and it was caught well at cover.
Forward. Yeah, roll forward. I could see fingers underneath the ball. The catch is fairly taken. I have a decision for you on the big screen.
Certainly a fair catch. Very well taken by the skipper. Got both his hands underneath, clung onto it, took the tumble, did everything well. Wasim back in the pavilion.
Smashed away through the offside for a 4. Jagadisan is truly in good form.
That's exactly what Wasim was looking for.
Bold, gone through the defenses, and the round arm has certainly worked. Gets the big fish.
One of the best a man can get, a bowl. Jagadisan gone for a fine 27, but his team could be in trouble at 38 for 2.
Made room, has smashed that down the ground. Will it beat the fielder? Yes, it does. A 4 to finish the 5th over. It was a good over actually until that last ball.
That'll run away for 4. Ashik squeezes it away for 4. Is there another wicket in the offing? Absolutely is. Harish, the man with the golden arm. Please call yourself left arm magic.
Yeah, absolutely. Last over, he got a wicket. Bowling his first over, Harish, and once again he strikes here. For his side, Harish. Yeah, she got for 13 of 9. He's 53 for 3. Again, it's really a cracking shot. It's gone all the way for a 4. Lovely shot there. Slightly footed in length. Nicely struck there by Dinesh. He just walked in. Going over the top this time. That's a really good strike. That's a massive strike. Just powering on the offside. What a shot there from Dinesh. He really topped the ball hard.
In the air, will come down with the ball. And he's got one of the tallest personnel at the right place. Great deployment.
And Ram Arvind has got to go back out for 10 of 13. 75 for 4 now. There's 4 wickets falling.
Gets enough on it. And sends it sailing. Mohan Prasad off the mark. And with a statement more than a shot. Even Sonu Yadav can go for a big hit if the ball's there to be hit.
This time he's hit that down the ground. Is the fielder getting across? No, he's been beaten. A diving effort but evades him. Is that coming towards us in the commentary box? In fact, it's gone over the commentary box. Made a loud thud as it landed on the roof.
Well, I had my palms out waiting for that catch. It went about 5-10 feet over us. Maybe 10 feet lower, it was smashed into our glass. We'll get back to that 96 for 4.
Squirted away, past third man for a 4. This is a bit of touch. Walks down the ground, swivels the pull, all the way for 6.
Nothing changes for Rohit. Once again, slightly short.
Side these days. What a catch! Never easy. It was full and Dinesh just hit it back towards Rohit, who's reacted brilliantly in his follow through.
A useful 29. It's 108 for 5.
Rocky, he's been hit. Too long gone. An easy catch. Wickets of consecutive deliveries for the Nellai Royal Kings. And is this the moment where they are taking control of this match?
Well, it was only 5 minutes ago, I think, I said that wickets in hand and you get to that 205. But they've lost 2, as you said, in consecutive deliveries. Nothing too wrong with that. It was short. There's no pace in that delivery by Rocky. But didn't get the best part of the bat. And it was a dolly at long on. What a pity. He thought it might be a really interesting contest. The Chepauk Super Gillies now in genuine trouble. Mohan Prasad also gone for a well-made 19. Gone too soon. 108 for 6. Oh, this is up in the sky. It could go all the way. Mystery spinner. Now shows us no mystery with the bat. He hit that really well. Whoa, that's another 100-meter or more. Did I say Ashwath can strike? He can strike really big.
It's made room. It's a wonderful shot for 4. For a moment, it didn't look like it will cross the boundary, but he's timed it very well. The fielder didn't have to move a lot, but it's beaten him. Once again, makes room. He's hit that wonderfully passed long off. In fact, the mid-off fielder was inside the circle and a little too square. He certainly did that for the UAE. Pulled away across the line, all the way for a 6. Ashwant Waltappa may not have created the mystery, but he's certainly creating some misery for the bowlers. Last ball of the 15th. He slashed outside the off stump. That's the icing on the cake for this over as Swapnil gets his first boundary.
Should be taken and gone. A tame dismissal for a hard-hitting Ashwin for the first time. He's gone up in the air and not cleared. 31 of 13, still a very handy knock, but not enough under circumstances.
Yeah, change of pace, working there. That was the off cutter, trying to go up on the onside, play that big shot, didn't get hold of that one. And nicely taken in the deep there. Sonu Yadav, the skipper out there, won't miss that. Good innings from Ashwant, 31 of 13 from him, 150 for 7.
He's got timber, and it's not the first time in the night he's got that. But every time his team requires a wicket, he puts his hand up indeed. Talk about answering above and beyond the call of duty, Ajay.
Yeah, absolutely. Once again, going wide of the crease, the quick delivery as well. Didn't have any clue about that one. Swapnil trying to take the aerial route, missing the line completely. He's delighted. The third wicket for Harish. In the figure of the bowlers, Swapnil Singh out for 11 of 9, 154 for 8.
This could be another wicket. Fielder settling underneath. Pouches it. Harish, you beauty, picks up 4 and makes merry against the Chepauk Super Gillies and makes matters worse for the Chepauk Super Gillies.
Yeah, the kind of length that he's bowling is always going to be difficult to cart him away. Once again, going wide of the crease, quick delivery, didn't get hold of that one. Went high up in the evening sky there. And Vignesh taken by Sachin Rathi. He's a very safe fielder, safe as a house. The 9th wicket falling for the Super Gillies. Vignesh out without scoring. 154 for now.
Catch it is the call. Yes is the answer. Sonu Yadav puts a full stop to the game, picks up the first 2 points for his side and himself as the captain for the very first time. The Nellai Royal Kings not just win but triumph by 50 runs, which will do a world of good to the net run rate. And it's also a statement that says beware, we're in the hunt too for that trophy with a lot of gold in it. 204 for 6. The Nellai Royal Kings and Chepauk Super Gillies in reply only managed 154 before they were bundled out by wonderful bowling performance of Nellai Royal Kings.